Hey there. In the previous session, we have added the project using the model builder. Let's understand those auto-generated projects. Model project include the model input. It contains the property as per the data set. It includes the load column and column name attribute for the each property. Model output contains the single property that is core. In the for example, we are using the input model and the result model as a name. It also includes the zip file for the model. Consume model contains the logic for performing the prediction on that model. You are familiar with this code. Loaded model created prediction engine and performed the prediction on the input model. In the console app project, model builder is a main class. It is responsible for generating the model. Here is a hard-coded path for the training dataset and the model. Created instance of the ML context. Load data from the text file to the data view. Then call the method for generating pipeline. In the data processing pipeline, it concatenates the column and normalize min-max for this feature and use the SDCA trainer for regression. Append training in the data pipeline to generate the training pipeline. Then call the evaluate method. Here it use the cross-validate for evaluation and print a result in a readable format. After evaluating, it will train the model. Here we just created a model by fitting the training dataset. In the end, save the model in the path that specified in the constant. Program.cs is an entry point within that and generate the sample data. It will load the data from the training dataset, obtain the first record, and predict a value for the model and print its result. Let me start a new instance of the console app. Here it try to predict a value for the first record with the model. Let's see what we have learned in this couple of sessions. We have used the ModelBuilder UI for generating the model based on our dataset. Previously, we have written the code to do all the things by ModelBuilder. You do not need to write the single line of code. And it also provides the base trainer and hyperparameter based on the training dataset. For this, we need to install the ML.NET ModelBuilder extension. Right click on the project and select the machine learning. Note that we need to right click on the project, not on the solution. First step is selecting a scenario. Here I have used the regression, but you can also try with the other scenario. Further step will be similar to this. Then we need to provide a train data and specify the column that will be used as a label and a feature. Third step is a train model. For this, it will try the various trainer with the different hyperparameter. We need to specify the time for this operation. Here we have used the 3 minute, but it will be depend on the size of the training data set. After completion, it will provide a list of model it tried as well as a summary of that and give the details for the top 5 model based on the accuracy. Next step is the evaluation of the model's performance. We can predict the value here. In the end, we can generate the code for this. It includes the 2 different projects, console app and the models. See you in the next session.